Experiencing a frozen or glitchy infotainment screen in your Nissan Rogue? Don't worry, resetting it is often a simple fix. There are three main types of resets: a soft reset, a hard reset, and a factory reset. A soft reset is like restarting your computer. It clears temporary memory without erasing your data. To perform one, hold down the power button for 10 to 15 seconds or cycle the vehicle's ignition. A hard reset involves disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes, useful for more persistent freezes. Finally, a factory reset wipes all your personal data and settings, restoring the system to its original state. Access this option through Settings, System, Reset Options, Factory Reset on newer models, 2020 plus. For older models, this may require dealer tools. Before attempting any reset, ensure your car is parked. Soft resets are the least invasive and should be your first attempt. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to reboot the system. If the screen remains frozen, try a hard reset by disconnecting the negative battery cable for 5 to 10 minutes, but be aware this will reset other vehicle settings. For factory resets, back up any important data first. Access via Settings menu in the system. Also, keep your Nissan Connect software updated via the app to prevent freezes. Overheating can also cause freezes, so ensure adequate ventilation around the system. If problems persist after resets, a hardware issue may be to blame, requiring a visit to a Nissan dealer. In rare cases, a dealer may need to reprogram the system.